Question number 1 of MCQ type. According to this question, which alkene will be formed in the reaction? So it is a cyclohexane derivative of bromine, and sodium methoxide is given to us. Sodium methoxide is a strong base and it will bring about bimolecular elimination reaction, that is E2 reaction. For E2 reaction, we know it is an anti-elimination reaction and the two leaving groups should be in trans-diaxial positions. So, in trans-diaxial position, we see that Br and D are present, deuterium are present. So, DBr will be eliminated and the final alkene which we will get is given in option number. Question number 2, MCQ, that how will we bring about the following conversion. In this case, a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction has been conducted on benzene ring. So for this, first of all, we should reduce the C double bond O by using a Clemmensen reduction method, and then we should bring about Friedel-Crafts acylation, and that will increase electron density on benzene ring and benzene ring will be more activated. The given ring is rather enough. Question number 3, MCQ. In this case, we will identify the product P. In the initial steps, we are preparing a Wittig reagent by using triphenyl phosphine and chloroethyl trimethylsilane and using a strong base butyl lithium. So a Wittig reagent is obtained and that Wittig reagent gives nucleophilic addition reaction with CHO group of the given compound. And now we are protecting the C double bond O group by using this aluminium chloride derivative, and now an intramolecular reaction takes place where the CC double bond is added to CC double bond of cyclohexanone ring, and finally on heating we are removing trimethylsilane group and also removing the aluminium derivative, and we are getting the resultant. Question number 4, MCQ, in which in step 1 we are conducting Hofmann bromamide reaction, in which the amide group is converted into NH2 group and the geometry of the system remains the same. In the second step we are heating the resulting product, so a nucleophilic substitution reaction of NH2 group with COH is taking place, H2O is eliminated and a cyclic amide is formed. So the resulting product is a bicyclic product and amide is there, but the main thing is that the geometries remain the same, that is there is a retention of configuration at all the carbon atoms given. Question number 5, MCQ. It is a question of identification of unknown organic compound. So in these type of reactions, first of all we find out the degree of unsaturation. The degree of unsaturation of compound X is 1. It has 2 oxygen atoms, so it can be an ester or an acid. But because it is reacting with Grignard reagent, it cannot be an acid, so it should be an ester. This ester on reaction with lithium and aluminium hydride gives only 1 alcohol, and we know with lithium aluminium hydride the ester breaks into 2 alcohols, so it seems that it is a symmetrical type of ester. So we can reject the option A and option D. Now we proceed further. The alcohol Y gives us an alkene C6H12, and this alkene has only a singlet in NMR spectrum. That means its all 12 hydrogen atoms are of identical nature. So this compound, this alkene can be 2,3-dimethyl butene. So according to that, the given compound X should be the compound given in option